Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the objectives of the research. So the main goal of the research is to improve the quality and level of living in the society. For example, Graham Bell invented the phone. So first the phone was, we can only use the phone for making calls, right? That is in the land phone. So after the land phone, cellular phone was invented. So using the cellular phone, we can call the person and we can text the person. So these are the additional features which is added is we can text the person and it is completely wireless. So land phone is wired connection and the cellular phone is a wireless connection. So we can call and text the person, right? So after the cellular phones, smartphones came into existence. So using the smartphones, we can browse the internet, so we can take pictures, we can create videos, right? So we can use all the applications in a single handheld device, right? So there is a lot of transition from the invention of the phone, a normal phone to the smartphone, right? So here we are improving the quality of the already existing things. So here the Graham Bell invented the new thing, that is a phone, that is a land phone, he invented. So after that, the remaining scientists were adding some additional features for the existing technology. So by that, we got the cellular phone and then the smartphones, right? So the purpose of a research study is to find out the hidden facts about a business phenomenon. The obvious function of research is to add new knowledge to the existing store, as we have seen in this land phone to the smartphone transition. It serves the government and the business organizations in forming their future policies. The objectives of a research study are given here. So understanding a business problem. So the first and foremost objective of any study is to understand, analyze and explore a business problem. So first of all, we have to understand the problem. So what is the problem? So what are the literature regarding the problem, right? And then we have to analyze the problem. So we have to analyze and explore the problem. So we have to find out what are the different ways to solve the problem and which is the optimal and which one will give the optimal solution for the given problem. So like in this manner, we have to understand, analyze and explore a business problem. So what are the different ways to solve the problem and which is the optimal way to solve the problem. So in this way, we have to analyze and explore the problem. Okay. So after that one, if the problem is very large, then we have to divide the complex problem into smaller ones. So we are going to decompose the complex problem into smaller one. So that is meant by understanding a business problem. So next one is the identifying the cause and effect relationship. So to identify the functional relationships among the various components of an organization. So here the individuals form groups and the groups form organizations. So they are interdependent, right? Every individual and every individual is a part of the team and team is a part of the organization. So they are interdependent. So it is very important for a researcher to identify the function relationships among various components of an organization. And a scientific investigation is necessary in studying the cause and effect relationship of the variables involved in a business phenomenon. So we have to apply some scientific investigation in order to find out the dependency on the cause and effect relationship. So for example, we are taking a small statement here. So if we eat too much food and do not exercise, we will gain weight. So here the cause is, so if we eat too much food and do not exercise, is the cause and effect is we will gain weight. Similarly, there is another example also. She made one big mistake. As a result, she lost her job. Right? So she made a big mistake. So that is the cause, and she lost her job is the effect. Okay, so these are the cause and effect relationships. So next one is to innovate new ideas. So one of the objectives of a researcher is to bring the constant improvement in the techniques of his trade. So he has to constantly improve his techniques in his particular region. Right? As we have seen in the example of the transition from the land phone to the smartphone, so there are a number of transitions. So first we were only using the phone for calling purpose. Now we are using everything in the smartphone. We are using all applications to pay amount, to receive the amount, to use the internet, to make calls, video calls, audio calls, messages. So everything we are using the smartphone, right? So here there is a transition from the normal phone to the smartphone. So there is a constant improvement in this particular area. And apart from verifying and testing, adding the new knowledge to the state of art. So apart from the verifying and testing the existing assumptions, so we are creating some new knowledge. We have to add some new knowledge to the state of the art, to that particular area. The next one is to improve the quality. The whole exercise of any activity is done for the improvement of quality of a product, machinery or life of human beings. So for a business organization, it is almost important to improve the quality of its products. This can be achieved by a systematical and critical investigation, that is called research. So this is about objectives of research. Thanks for watching my video.